Welcome to our video on pay-per-call, the game changer for small businesses. In this video, we'll delve into the innovative world of pay-per-call marketing, a cutting-edge strategy that is revolutionizing how businesses, especially small ones, approach advertising. We'll explore its benefits, how it targets specific demographics and geographical areas, mitigates financial risks, and provides a competitive edge. So, are you ready to take a deep dive into the world of pay-per-call marketing? Let's get started. Ever wondered why small businesses often grapple with traditional advertising methods? It's because these methods, be it radio, TV commercials, or Google Click ads, often come with uncertain outcomes and costs. They might drain resources without guaranteeing substantial returns. But what if there was a better way? A way that offers control over marketing costs and ensures every penny spent correlates to potential customer interest. Enter the world of pay-per-call performance marketing, a game changer for small businesses. Pay-per-call performance marketing stands apart from traditional advertising methods in its approach and efficiency. In this model, businesses only pay when a potential customer initiates a call directly from the ad. This eliminates the guesswork and financial uncertainty that traditional advertising often brings. Expenses no longer pile up without a guarantee of customer inquiries or leads. Consider niche services like auto glass repair, window replacements, or electrical work. These businesses heavily rely on local clientele and immediate needs, making direct phone inquiries incredibly valuable. Instead of spending on broad-reaching ads that may or may not reach the intended audience, pay-per-call targets specific demographics or geographical areas where demand is likely to be high. What makes pay-per-call marketing even more appealing is its performance-based nature. Every penny spent directly correlates to potential customer interest. This targeted approach maximizes the marketing budget by focusing on real-time leads that are actively seeking the services offered. It allows for better control and optimization of resources, ensuring that marketing dollars generate tangible and measurable results. And let's not forget the businesses with limited marketing budgets. For them, pay-per-call becomes an attractive option as it mitigates financial risks. Instead of paying upfront for uncertain outcomes, they invest solely in the leads generated. This makes pay-per-call a cost-effective and efficient strategy. By choosing pay-per-call over conventional advertising methods, these small businesses gain a competitive edge. They leverage a model that guarantees a return on investment, targeting prospects ready to engage. They take charge of their marketing efforts while keeping costs under control. In conclusion, pay-per-call performance marketing offers a risk-free, cost-effective, and highly targeted approach to advertising. It is the marketing method of the future, offering small businesses a way to take control of their marketing costs and ensure that every dollar spent is a dollar well invested. Ready to test the power of pay-per-call marketing? Visit the link in the description or call 561-933-8641 to get started. Take control of your marketing costs and ensure every dollar spent is a dollar well invested. Don't wait for the future, be part of it. Take the first step towards a more efficient and cost-effective marketing strategy today. As we wrap up our discussion on pay-per-call marketing, we hope you found this video insightful. We've explored how this innovative approach can revolutionize small businesses, overcoming the challenges of traditional advertising. It offers targeted marketing, performance-based results, financial risk mitigation, and a competitive edge that's crucial in today's dynamic market. If you're ready to harness the power of pay-per-call marketing, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to visit our website or call us at 561-933-8641 to get started. Your future in efficient and cost-effective marketing starts now.